Today, I will show you how to connect or add a tool made with custom HTML to your WordPress website. First, you will enter the cPanel from your hosting. You will have to create a folder by going to the cPanel. The tool that I will add is the QR code generator. This is my folder. Let's create a folder. I named the folder QR code generator. Of course, you have to put a hyphen in the middle of the word. Then you will enter the folder. After that, you have to import it. If it is a zip, you will import the zip, and if it is a folder, I will import the file. So I saved my file from here. Now in the file, I will write my main domain. After that, I will give a backslash. After that, I will copy the name of the folder that we created. I will put that name after the backslash. After that, I will give the name of the main HTML folder in the cPanel. Since I have index.html, I gave that. Now if I enter, you can see the main one here, and this is our tool. Now we have to use a trick to put it on our page. That is, we will create a page from the WordPress dashboard and open it in Edit with Element. Then we will take a single layout and take an HTML tag from the OR element and put it there. Now we will need an iframe code. We will create it with AI. I'm telling Gemini to give me an iframe code, and I will put this link there. Now copy it, and we will go to that page and put it in the HTML tag. Our work is done. Now we will give the title as desired from the title and click on the Publish button. Finally, we will click on Have a Look. This is our tool. So in this way, any tool can be connected to the website. We start from making such tools and also make e-commerce websites. If you want to make them or have any problems, you can contact us. There's a contact in the description.